Welcome to the best picks. The best positive pressure respirator is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your respiratory health, especially if you work in an environment with airborne hazards or have underlying respiratory conditions. This comprehensive review will equip you with the knowledge to choose a respirator that perfectly matches your needs and ensures optimal protection, covering crucial aspects like filtration efficiency, comfort, and ease of use, so you can breathe easy knowing you're making a safe and informed choice. Number 5. 3M Ultimate FXFF 402 Respirator. It's NIOSH approved, meeting rigorous safety standards. This ensures it effectively reduces your inhalation of airborne contaminants when used with compatible 3M cartridges and filters. See your work clearly with its large lens. The Scotchgard coating ensures it meets ANSI Z 87.1-2003 standards for eye and face protection. It's compatible with a variety of 3M cartridges and filters. This allows you to customize your protection based on the specific hazards you face. It seamlessly integrates with 3M's powered air and dual airline systems. This provides enhanced protection against a wide range of hazards. It's ideal for various industrial tasks. From welding and grinding to chemical handling and cleaning, it offers reliable protection. The 6-strap harness provides a secure and comfortable fit. It also features a cool flow valve and passive speaking diaphragm for added comfort. What we like. It's NIOSH approved for various applications and has a large lens for better visibility. If you need a respirator for multiple tasks and value safety and a clear view, this is a great option. Its compatibility with various 3M cartridges makes it adaptable to different environments and hazards. Number 4. HANUU PAPR Respirator. This innovative respirator provides hours of continuous protection. Its lightweight and comfortable design ensures ease of use and mobility. With a full charge, it can operate for over 7 hours. Enjoy uninterrupted protection throughout your workday. It features 2 airflow settings to customize your comfort and protection. Choose the level that best suits your needs. The full face mask offers impact resistance and a comfortable seal. It's designed for superior protection in various environments. The included filter removes up to 99.99% of harmful particles and gases. It has a long shelf life for lasting protection. It's ideal for various industrial applications, including spray painting, resin work, and sanding. Stay safe in diverse work environments. The kit includes everything you need to get started, plus we offer 24/7 customer support. We're here to help you stay safe. What we like. This respirator boasts a long battery life and offers adjustable airflow for customized comfort. If you prioritize extended use and personalized airflow, this model is ideal for long shifts and various work intensities. The lightweight design and waist belt ensure comfort even during prolonged use. What people say. The seal is good and I have facial hair. The filters all come sealed, and while I only use the side filters, I will keep the chem filter for other uses. Zip ties are used to reinforce the connections so build quality could be prettier, but it seems solid enough and the airflow is good and not too noisy. Filters are available in plenty, but if you're just using them for viral protection you can simply fit your N95 mask over the intake and have a zero resistance experience for once, breathing easy and well protected. I actually find the full head piece less annoying than wearing just a paper cloth mask, but that's probably just me. View is clear and doesn't seem to fog easily. Fits and seals well around the face. Great vision and people can understand you when you talk. Number 3. Trend Airshield Pro. This innovative full-face shield offers superior protection against harmful dust and particles. It's perfect for woodworking and other dusty environments. It features a powerful, yet quiet motor and twin high-efficiency filters. These filter out 98% of particles down to 0.6 microns, keeping you safe and comfortable. The motor is strategically placed for better balance and reduced noise. It also has an adjustable headband and a moisture-wicking design for all-day comfort. With its rechargeable battery, it provides up to 8 hours of continuous use on a single charge. A low battery warning ensures you're always prepared. It meets ANSI Z 87 and high impact rating standards for head and face protection. Optional accessories, like hearing protection and tear-off visor covers, are also available. Your trend Airshield Pro includes the face shield with twin filters, a rechargeable battery, a convenient storage bag, and clips for optional ear protection. What we like. It features a high airflow rate and a comfortable, lightweight design. If you need high airflow for demanding tasks and a comfortable fit for all-day wear, this option is excellent. The adjustable headband and reduced noise make it suitable for extended use in various settings. What people say. The powered venting function of the hood is simply fantastic. No fogging, positive airflow so you aren't pulling the air through a respirator or mask, good comfortable product you're not afraid to use. Very comfortable around my face. Fits around my glasses comfortably, and the constant airflow prevents my glasses from fogging and is very pleasant. Also, I like that I don't have to fuss about with making a good seal against my face. Light enough so I don't notice I'm wearing it when I'm busy, and quiet enough too. Cool, clean air keeps the shield clear and the battery is lasting longer than I expected. Number 2. 3M Versaflo TR 300N Plus PAPR Kit. This kit provides all-in-one respiratory protection against particulates. It's easy to use and maintain, ensuring worker safety and comfort. Everything you need is included: a disposable hood, PAPR unit, battery, charger, filter, and more. It's ready to use right out of the box. The disposable hood and PAPR unit are easy to clean. Simply wipe them down with a damp cloth and mild detergent. It provides reliable protection against particulates, meeting NIOSH approval standards. Always follow instructions for safe and effective use. With its one-button operation and intuitive design, it's easy to use. The quick-release swivel connection makes changing components simple. The disposable hood offers complete head and face coverage with a wide field of view and soft elastic seals for comfort. It's designed for all-day wear. Its slim and contoured design allows for easy movement in tight spaces, reducing the risk of snagging. The high-capacity lithium-ion battery provides up to 8 to 12 hours of continuous use on a single charge, allowing for extended work periods. This product is for industrial and occupational use only. It is not intended for consumer use. What we like. This model is easy to clean and features a disposable hood for hygiene. If you value ease of maintenance and a hygienic design, this is a great choice. The long battery life and simple operation make it efficient for extended use in healthcare settings. What people say. The 300 is a lot more comfortable on your belt. We don't need hours and hours of continuous use in our shop, so the battery life is more than sufficient, and it's certainly nice to not carry around the bigger 600. Our requirements were solely filtering out particulates, so this setup was a smoking deal for a PAPR to keep our new hires' lungs clear of mica and other things floating around in the air in our shop. The system is comfortable to wear all day if necessary. I am a woodworker needing protection from wood dust. This product is superb for this. Number 1. 3M Versaflo TR 300N Plus PAPR Kit. This kit provides all-in-one respiratory protection for heavy industry. It's NIOSH approved for particulate protection, making it ideal for various applications. The kit comes with everything you need: hard hat assembly, PAPR unit, battery and charger, filters, and more. It's ready to use right out of the box. It offers reliable protection against particulates. Always follow the instructions and NIOSH approval guidelines for safe and effective use. It features a simple one-button operation and comfortable design elements. The lightweight hard hat and breathable design ensure all-day comfort. It uses a blower to draw air through the filter, keeping you cool and comfortable even in hot and humid conditions. Breathe easy and stay productive. The high-capacity lithium-ion battery provides approximately 8 to 12 hours of runtime on a single charge. Get the job done without interruption. Its slim and contoured design is perfect for working in tight spaces. It's less likely to snag on objects, improving safety and efficiency. This product is designed for industrial and occupational use only. It is not intended for consumer use. What we like. It integrates seamlessly with a hard hat and offers a comfortable design. If you need head protection and a comfortable fit for heavy-duty work, this is the perfect option. The long battery life and robust construction make it suitable for demanding industrial applications. What people say. The battery lasts as long as I want to stay in the shop, 8 to 9 hours, and only takes about 1 to 2 hours to fully charge it up again. This helmet is very comfortable and not too heavy after hours of use. This unit, when you start it up and then put it on according to manual, eliminates labored breathing, one-way flaps getting stuck, and provides great airflow across your face. I am 6 feet 1 inch tall and the hose doesn't put any tension while bending down or squatting. The battery charged within about an hour or so. The filter is solid and relatively easy to change. The airflow in the hood is cool, and that is a nice benefit from using this unit. I also haven't had my glasses fog up on me at all while using the unit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.